स्वागत है सबका फिर से इस चैनल पे। और आज हम लोग नए टॉपिक को सीखेंगे। तो जैसे पिछले वीडियोस में हम लोगों ने लैंडस्केपिंग इन द यूनिवर्सिटीज़ एंड कॉलेजेस के बारे में डिस्कस किया था कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है। और ये थोड़ा सिमिलर भी है स्कूल्स को भी, लाइक इट्स सिमिलर टू द स्कूल्स आल्सो, landscaping university and college, because these are that place that were different, like from different places या फिर different localities से बच्चे आते हैं और फिर they have to have a good environment or good landscape place. And then हम लोगों ने मतलब कौन से ट्रीज़ विच इज़ गुड इन द लैंडस्केप एरिया के बारे में भी डिस्कस किया था कि पाथवे में कौन सा प्लान करना है, लाइक सराका इंडिका, दैट इज़ अशोका ट्री, एंड अकासिया अरिकोलिफॉर्मिस। और फिर नॉट ओनली दैट बट इवन द फ्रेगरेंस ऑल्सो, जो फ्रेगरेंस ट्रीज़ है, फ्लावरिंग ट्रीज़ है, उसको भी मतलब वी कैन प्लान दैट. एंड देन लाइक दिस वन पर्शियन लिलक्स. And we have discussed the landscaping of education institute also, right? Like the landscaping of education institute, like how you have to put, before that हम लोगों ने ये भी डिस्कस किया था कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है मतलब यूनिवर्सिटी में, जो यूनिवर्सिटी या कॉलेजेस है, अगर आप डेकोरेट करोगे तो उसके सामने में, जैसे कॉलेज के सामने में आप फाउंटेन को क्रिएट करते हो, लाइक व्हेन यू आर डूइंग द बिल्डिंग, व्हेन द पीपल आर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द बिल्डिंग, एंड देन यू हैव टू प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली कि उसके सामने में फाउंटेन होगा. एंड देन नॉट ओनली दैट बट देयर विल बी लॉन नियर दैट फाउंटेन, एंड इट कैन बी अ गुड प्लेस जहाँ पर बच्चे लोग रिलैक्स कर सके. दे कैन जस्ट रिलैक्स एंड सिट देयर. एंड देन कौन सा जो hedges है विच यू कैन प्लान अराउंड colleges or university. कौन सा hedges है? The name of the hedge is Lawsonia hedge. Okay. And then after that we have discussed about the landscaping of education institute, like briefly how we can do, how we can plant यूकलिप्टस ट्री है. एंड देन फ्लावरिंग ट्रीज जो है बोहेनिया, दैट इज़ बोहेनिया variegate, and then this one callistemon, lanceolatus, and even climbers also you can plant. The climbers like bignonia, venosta, or bougainvillea bhi you can plant that. And then what are the grasses which is good? Okay, in the university they are like what, this one Bermuda grass. Okay, especially in the playground, जहाँ पर playground है, because obviously if it is a university तो there will be a playground also. So you can choose Bermuda grass. जो variety है Bermuda grass वो अच्छा होता है because it can tolerate the stress. Okay, like if people used to play there and if they run and jump there, but it won't affect that much, it won't affect the grass that much, like it can tolerate. And and how you can, if it is a university, so you can make even a botanical garden also. So why we need to establish a botanical garden also, so that you don't need to go in other places, दूसरी जगह में नहीं जाना पड़ेगा आपको to do the practicals and all, so you can do it there only. And then annuals, जो annuals plans होते हैं, you can avoid that, it should be avoided. So now we will discuss about the next, that is the landscaping in the river banks. Now lastly we'll discuss about the landscaping in the river banks. So the banks of the rivers and canals passing through towns and cities, जो रिवर्स है कि रिवर्स या फिर कैनाल्स जो पास थ्रू करते हैं टाउन से, विलेजेस से, as well suited for landscaping, like you can do landscaping around it. Okay, like beside it. So the plants themselves will be object of beauty and the reflection on the water surface in an additional attraction. Already though it's natural, the river is flowing, and by the side maybe there will be trees, or in some area, क्योंकि वो town से या फिर गांव से होके गुजर के मतलब it pass, right? So in some area you can do landscaping, or you can make it more attractive. So moisture loving trees will do better. जो moisture loving tree है मतलब जो लंबे समय तक मतलब moist रह सकता है, which doesn't like, because there are some tree that when you put it so long in the very moist soil or anything, तो उसकी जो जड़ें हैं वो what I'll say ये हो जाते हैं, मतलब it become like हाँ सड़ जाते हैं. Okay, but there are some trees which like love moisture. Okay, so it will do better along the waterfront compared to others. And if we see India, अगर हम अपने देश को ही देखें तो in India the rivers Yamuna, Ganga, Kaveri, etc. are regarded as a sacred, right? Like बहुत लोग मतलब especially जो हिंदू धर्म है वो लोग worship करते हैं. And on the banks of these rivers many old Hindu temples are situated. Like बहुत पुराने हिंदू temples situated है river bank के site में, right? And are regarded as sacred. And on the bank of these river, okay, many old temples are situated, and the bank along these places may be planted with flowering trees. और इसके जो side में जो like at the side or at the like the bank of the river you can plant flowering trees, especially जो मतलब which is like sacred tree for the Hindu religion, yeah, such as like what Kadamba, that is Anthocephalus, and Ashoka, that is Saraka indica, okay, its botanical name. Kadamba, that is Anthocephalus, and Ashoka, that is Saraka indica, which are associated, okay, which are which can be associated there. It can be present in that area. And then you have to see all this. And the bank of the river, like if I give you example, okay, of this, I can give you example also, okay, which we will see in the next slide. In the slide now you can see a picture of Hooghly, okay, river Hooghly in what, Calcutta, okay, it is in the Calcutta side. And the bank of the river Hooghly on the Calcutta side has been beautifully landscaped, ये beautifully landscape किया गया है by the Kolkata Port Commissioners. So there can be a question also, okay, the bank of the river Hooghly on Kolkata side was like established or was made by whom? So you can give this answer, that is Calcutta Port Commissioners. With what would they they landscape it with the shrubs, जो shrubs है, trees है, okay, and it has become a place for recreation for the citizen, okay, for the citizen of the metropolis who can breathe fresh air away from the congested city. So it is really helpful for the people, for the citizen, like if they have like, if there is no park, okay, अगर park नहीं है या फिर टहलने की जगह नहीं है, and also people used to come here in this one Hooghly area, okay, in here. So here they get that fresh air which is away from the congested city. And the next picture is Gomti, river Gomti in Lucknow. Yeah, it has also been aesthetically landscaped. ये भी बहुत अच्छे से landscape किया गया है is इनके river side में. And then the river bank near place of the historic importance also, such as Taj on the bank of Yamuna, have also been landscaped with the beautiful trees. Okay. So beside this, so beside the beautification, okay, beside the beautification, planting of trees along bank of rivers and canals, it helps the soil conservation also. To conserve the soil, so you can plant trees along the bank of the rivers and canals. It really helps the soil conservation. And since irrigation is not a problem, So the plants along canals and rivers once established will no need much care because it's already planted, especially जो moisture loving plant है. So if you plant it by the side of the river, तो उनको मतलब ज़्यादा पानी देने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. So you won't need to like do irrigation often. So this is one advantages when you plant the trees, that is moisture loving trees. So it's really good when you do this practice like landscape, like we have already seen the example. And then in most like places in India, like we have already discussed also before, that the river banks should be planted with so many trees, because many people used to do meditation or anything around that area, like near the river bank, right? So like when they sit under the tree near the river bank, so it will be very good. They will get the shade also, and then if it's a fragrant tree also, they'll get a good good fragrance from that tree, right? And it doesn't only clean the environment, like clean the the air. Okay, it doesn't only clean the air, or it doesn't only control the pollution, but also conserve the soil, and also beautify also that place, that area. So people, they can come and visit also, they can visit. It will be like a place for foreign people also, when they come from different places. Okay, when they want to see if there is any type of puja, yeah, anything, when they come, then they can see the landscape of that place. So it really pleases them, and they will want to visit again and again. So yeah. And then there are so many river banks in India. Okay, like I've already mentioned before, like in the rivers of Yamuna, Ganga, Kaveri, and then even about the Hooghly River in Calcutta, and Gomti River in Lucknow, right? So this has been practiced actually. अगर हम मतलब गौर करें तो ये पुराने ज़माने से ही प्रैक्टिस किया जा रहा है, लाइक प्लांटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज बाय द साइड ऑफ द रिवर बैंक. So that's why, so it is really important for to beautify it more in advance, okay, the landscape of the river bank. So here I have mentioned the following flowering trees which are recommended for planting along the bank of the river and canals. So there are so many. You can check from here, and you can see from the net that what are those, like you can identify it. Okay, it will be like a homework also for you. You can check from your net that Amhestia nobilis, what is that tree. You can see the picture. Okay, and then even Bohemia and Saraka indica, that is the Ashoka tree, right? And this one, Cassia fistula, and so many. Okay, wait, I'll just mention one by one. Amherstia nobilis. Second is Delonix regia, and then Anthocephalus cadaba, and then Lagerstromia Phlox reginae, and Barringtonia acutangula, and this one Lagerstromia thorelli, Bohemia, that I've already mentioned, Melia azidarak, and Cassia, and then this one Peltophorum ferrugiagum, and then this one Cassia, this C is I guess it's Cassia javanica, and then Saman, and Cassia marginata, and then Saraka indica, and Cassia nodosas. So these are the main flowering trees that are recommended for planting along the banks of the rivers and canals. So with this, we come to the end of the landscape in the town area. Okay, in the public places, like landscaping in the other public places, because these are all, like I've mentioned before, they are all public places. Okay, the school, the what the university, bus station, railways, town, river, hospital, and then even the playground also. Yeah, playground, airport, industries, institute. So these are some of the important landscaping in the public places. Okay, so we have to all keep this in mind to balance the ecosystem and to um, sustain it. Okay, to sustain it, both flora and fauna. Yeah, for both from cultivation of plants and all, and even for like to help the animals not to extinct also. Okay, so I hope you understand all these points and all this that we have discussed before in the previous video. So thank you.